guys, I got a special package from AUXITO. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that right. They sent me some carbon fiber winglets. They look amazing. I'll be installing them on the truck today. I mean, not on the truck, on the bike. So let's see how it goes. They sent me tape. I already put them on just to make this quicker and easy, but should be pretty simple. Just don't know where to put it exactly. Probably like somewhere around here, or like I want to put it up here, but it doesn't, like there's a gap up there. So the only place I would have to put is like down here, or like possibly like over here. So we'll see. I'll pick up this video after I make a decision. Alright guys, so I just finished installing them. Put them right here. Makes it look like personal. That's how it looks now. Let me show you guys the side. Looks alright. I dig it. I'll leave a link down in the description if you guys want to go check them out. They also have like other stuff, like you guys can see they have a lot of stuff for bikes, cars. Go check them out. It's the final product. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll be back uploading more vlogs on here with the bike, so subscribe if you haven't yet. See you guys.